first time for me doing these type of cookie cuts with my B1001, but I figured that I should do it like this. Take a piece of lumber, just stick the pieces of wood to it, and then go ahead and cut it. So first things first, just gonna start with one of the pieces. Took some like that, and then the next project would be to get it up on the mill. Just gonna zigzag it. It's not the heaviest piece, but the weight is a bit off. Do it like that. It's not the correct way, but I mean, who's gonna tell you? Didn't do too much of a change actually, but maybe something like that. And then we're gonna strap it down with the Home Depot of Sweden Biltema. that's it for today. I got 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 cookies cut, plus a few scrap pieces, which will be firewood. It did work good, but I would next time choose a larger and heavier piece for the bottom, and then not cut them as high as I did, because that tended to give it a little bit of wiggle, so I had to drive really slow. But doesn't matter, got the job done, and looks like the rain is just about to cross the ridge of my barn, so might as well pack up and head inside, edit this stuff and throw it out on YouTube. And also I'm on my fire brigade duty this week, so can't do any spectacular, even if I wish. Maybe tomorrow I'll set up a log table and start preparing for some panel. Now when the weather is better for sawing than it was the last couple of months. I also got a work coming up this weekend. It's currently Tuesday, and this weekend I'm going to Mönsterås and mill at PG, I think it's PG's wooden slab shop. He got an Instagram page, so check him out before I'll head over there. And yep, that's it for today. Take care, guys. And as I said, it just started raining. Got the cover on right on time, and I'm just gonna go inside, drive my truck around and load the cookies on the bed, and call the customer to come and pick them up. That's a really small job. Took me around an hour to figure out which log, find a suitable board to screw it up to, and then place it on the mill. But the wedding is next month, so felt like it was a good idea to get this going now, since I've had a wedding myself, and I remember the stress on my wife. Just gotta go and get my shirt out here. Yep, but as I said, that's it for now. That's a new one. Make sure to write that up. That's it for now, and I'll make sure to give you an update as soon as I'm onto something new. Take care, guys.